In Tripura, indigenous people are taking a stand by helping identify individuals who entered India, married local women and settled undetected. Earlier this week, BJP ally Tipra Motha Party sought Prime Minister Narendra Modi's intervention to send back illegal Bangladeshi immigrants living in Tripura. Senior TMP leader Animesh Dev Verma told PTI that following the directives of the Union Ministry of Home Affairs, states like Gujarat, Assam and Meghalaya took swift action, and now it's time for Tripura to do the same. Reacting to the video, Pradyot Dev Verma said 99% of such individuals stay on, becoming voters and beneficiaries, a growing concern for the indigenous people in Tripura. They say unchecked migration is reshaping Tripura's demographic landscape, endangering indigenous identity and fueling fears over land, resources and political strength. This week, a 15-member Tipra Motha delegation urged the governor to act immediately, demanding deportation of those who entered after 1971 and calling for a special committee to launch a coordinated deportation drive. Assam Rifles are also being pressed to step in, seeking increased surveillance, ID verification at village entry points and night-time checkpoints. Chief Minister Manik Saha, citing heightened security concerns, reaffirmed that illegal immigrants will be pushed back. Intelligence reports show over 150 Bangladeshi nationals and some Rohingya have been detained recently. For Tripura's indigenous people, this is more than a border issue. It's about preserving their homeland, heritage and future. The state's identity is at stake. Will the borders protect it?